Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making these adorable mini Christmas ornaments that are perfect for a holiday tree or festive decorations. Let's get creative and make something magical for the season. Here are some material you need for this project: green, white, and red pipe cleaner, scissor, pliers, 2 flower wire, 8 cm half bead, gold metallic cord, and glue gun. First, take a red and green pipe cleaner and twist them together until you achieve your desired pattern. Once done, shape into a circle to match the size of your Christmas tree decoration. Adjust the size as needed and then cut into the right length. From just one pipe cleaner, you can make up to 3 pieces, but this depends on your tree size and how big you want the ornaments to be. Since my Christmas tree is small, I was able to create 3 pieces. Next, we'll make a ribbon to decorate the ornament. Grab a floral wire and leave a small piece at one end. This will secure the ribbon. Take the longer end and wrap it 3 times to form the ribbon. If you unsure how to do this, watch closely as I show you step by step in this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY project. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any update. Have a crafting idea or request? Drop in the comment and I'll make a video just for you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy crafting. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you guys.